Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm Janisha. If you're returning, thanks for coming back to see me. I know it's been a while, but we're gonna get it together. I promise we're gonna get it together. So today's video is going to be a luxury collective haul, and some of these items I've had for months, y'all, and it's really a shame at this point that all this stuff is just sitting on the side of my bed or just in my closet. But I wanted to come here and show you guys, so we're gonna keep it 100 right quick. This first item that I'm about to show you guys, I purchased this back in March, and I was in Mexico when I purchased this. Like, literally woke up that morning and was like, let me order this bag because it is so cute. I ordered it online and I went to go pick it up in store. I've already seen it, but you guys have not, so I'm just gonna open this up with you guys finally. And it just came in a box, of course, how they ship it to you. And the item, ding ding ding, is this Coach bag. I believe this is the Coach 26, I believe. Let me double check. This one is the Coach Tabby 26 in pebbled leather. And I think this one retails for $3.95, but I believe I got it for like $270 something after tax. So look how you see how it's like the pebbled leather here, and then the Coach logo, and then it has some little like I don't know if these are rhinestones. I'm finally able to take this strap off and everything. As I'm taking this off, I hope you guys have been doing good, and happy fall, happy October. I know I've been gone for a little minute. I just have to get myself back to myself, if you know what I mean. You just sometimes need a little space. Taking care of your body, taking care of your mental health, all that kind of stuff. And today's I have on Ebony Wood by Zara. That'll be in my Zara haul. I know you probably have heard of Ebony Wood going viral like all on the internet and TikTok. It smells so good, y'all. A lot of people don't like it, but I like it. So this is how the bag looks. And of course, every Coach bag comes with a long strap, and then it also this shorter strap. Sometimes I wear it, sometimes I won't. But actually, I also went to Coach and purchased a little thingamajig. So the item comes in this little dust bag from Coach, and it's like a gunmetal like chain. So you can wear this on your Coach tabby pillow if you wanted. If you wanted to dress up your bag a little bit more, you can add this little chain, or you can order a chain off of Amazon or Shein like that, and you can just go about your day. But I just love how this bag is just all black, because I don't think I have like a fancy all black bag, and usually I'll do like a gold hardware. That's what I tend to reach for, but this one is just all black. You can wear silver with it because of the gunmetal, but you're not limited to just wearing gold or black. Wear this, I think this will be a perfect fall essential for me. So that is this bag. To this next piece, and I feel like this is probably my favorite piece. I purchased this back in June. Yeah, June. I already opened this, of course. So comes in this box, and it has the Saint Laurent dust bag here, and here is my Nordstrom return order stuff. This is the YSL blue quilted camera crossbody bag, and I have not seen anyone with this color, and I'm a little excited because tell me what y'all think. Tell me if y'all think this is fall essential. Tell me what y'all think. Drum roll, please. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at the color. Oh, and let's just get into my nails, okay? Just get into my Halloween nails. Y'all, look at the color on this. And I've seen plenty of these bags. I'm getting low-key tired of the shirt. I've seen plenty of these bags in different colors. Like the first time that I seen it, the one that I really wanted to reach for would have been I think it was like an army green. I'll leave like a, and I'm just so in love with this color. Now tell me what y'all think. Should I bring this out for fall? Is this a fall color to you? Would you get this color? So let me finally unstrap this bad boy because I'm ready to like throw her on. She is too cute. So yeah, basically this is just how the bag looks. And okay, she's ready. Oh, mom, love this color. So I'm super excited to wear this, bring this out. So let me know what you guys think about that. My next item that I got from Nordstrom was this Dior item. And y'all, I know summer is over, but come on now. These came from Nordstrom. This Dior box, it has a little card here, fancy card. It has my receipts. And then Nordstrom, you know, they always throw in this little card for your designer item. Hoping that you enjoy the item. And then 2 dust bags, of course. And then the Dior tissue paper. And so as you can already tell, these are the Dior D-Way slides, and I got these in the navy blue color, and they are gorgeous. Okay, just get into the detail. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know, if you know, you know. I'm gonna just leave it at that. Okay, on the if you know, you know. Okay, let's just leave it at that, like I said. Okay, so if you aren't following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me over there. I need you to see so these are the D-Way slides in the navy blue color. They have so many of these in different colors, different styles, and I just thought this was the perfect one for my first pair. Either this one or the black one, but I thought the navy blue was really my style. I got these in a 40.5, and I will say the thing that I love about these is that they're comfortable. One, well, I haven't worn them outside, but I haven't seen any type of complaints on them being uncomfortable, because I know sometimes with designer sandals, a lot of them can be uncomfortable after a while. But, and another thing, they are wide foot friendly in my opinion, because I definitely have a wide foot, and these are pretty good for me. I did, like I said, get a 40.5, which I believe is what, maybe a 10 in Italy sizes. I know that these are made in Italy. They just have the Dior here, the star, and made in Italy, and then a 40.5. And then here is the Christian Dior. I'm just happy to add these to my collection now. So we're already on Dior. Let's go into this bag. Look how janky this bag is now. I don't even remember when I purchased these, but okay. So as you can see, they come in this box. These are a pair of sunglasses. They come in this Christian Dior pouch, which I love the little Dior here. And when you take them out, I think these are the Montage. I think the 30 Montage or something. These are the 58mm 30 Montage Square sunglasses by Dior. And I know they have a couple of these colors. They have these in white, and I know they have a new pair that have like Christian Dior on the side, but I think these came out before them. And then they just have the CD on the side. And I thought these were so fire. Another black pair of sunglasses. I think my other black pair are Tom Fords. They just have Dior here. You know, Dior here where the nostrils. And now, hold on, sis. Hold on. Like, with your outfit and my hair done. Like, come on. And you know me, I love a good pair of oversized sunglasses. So the last item that I have, I actually did purchase these from Nordstrom Rack, and they came in this case by Celine. And I actually asked for this box because usually with Nordstrom Rack, all they'll do is give you like a little case, but I always ask for a box because sometimes it doesn't hurt to ask, okay? So the pair of sunglasses that I got came in this case, and y'all, look how fire these Celine shades are. Yes, I got these from Nordstrom Rack. Yes, I paid under retail. These were 100. Trying to take the thing off. These were $149.97, and for $550. I believe these are the 51mm flat top sunglasses, and like I said, these are by Celine. It says Celine on that side and Celine on that side, and these are the flat top ones. I know if you go to Nordstrom.com or anywhere right now, they're still like regular price, a lot of these, but I think these are like out of style. But you know, Celine sunglasses retail for like $500, starting like at $450. So and it still has the Nordstrom tag on it, but of course I got them from I don't know if y'all can see that, from Nordstrom Rack. Let's try these on. Now, I don't, these are giving cool. I love the color on these. I love the frame on these. I love the whole flat top thing that's going on. I love the tortoise brown shade that's going on. These are super fire, and for $150. And then if I was to ever get tired of these, of course I can go resell these and probably make double what I paid for them, of course. So love those. That's how they look on the back. Video, I hope you enjoyed this collective haul. I will be doing another video soon, you guys. I won't leave you guys in the dust too long. If you aren't following me on my Instagram, make sure you follow me over there. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe before you leave. And if you already subscribed, thanks for coming back to see me, like I said, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.